today topic na about this Ada Jesus. I see this video, I was like, wetin dey happen? Ada Jesus cry out say she dey sick, she get kidney problem. So I dey expect say as e dey sick now, she dey alive now, she don talk come out. She need help, like make she dey cry. She need money to take care of herself. Okay, why people come dey talk now? They say, Ada Jesus not to offend people. Ada Jesus may go beg go. Ada Jesus don't offend this so. Ada Jesus don't offend Odumeje may go beg. So wetin I want try to tell us now be say now Odumeje now he do this thing wey dey happen to Ada Jesus. Now wetin I want try to tell us now be waiting. Me no understand really. So una wan tell us now say na that Jesus na he cause this problem to herself. Now wetin una wan try to tell us, me I no understand. I no understand really. My darling people, this one shocked me. Oh, this one shocked me. So my darling people, I beg, more na help her that Jesus as she dey her life now. Not be say when she go up meme, una go come begin dey say, hey, we for help am oh, this that oh. The girl dey cry, she dey in pains. More na help her that Jesus. That Jesus, she is dying in silence. More na help am. More na help her. I go put the video, more na see am. So anything we una fit do for that Jesus, more na do am, my darling people. I beg. As she dey now, celebrity, una no talk so una never dey see am now. Oh, not be only una self una go dey help. Oh, una no go talk so una no dey see am now. People, I beg anybody wey see this video, make e help me share and make it go viral. Not be only bad things una go dey share. At least good thing, more na see share am for once, my darling people. Thank you, everybody. Take care. I will put the video. I will put the video now for you people to watch and see if una fit help am. I beg, Mona contact and Mona help her. She dey in peace. She need help. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Even Odumeje, please help her. I know say she come at that time and insult you, but it no mean help her. You are doing it because of God, not because of her. Thank you.
Somebody, can you make a joyful noise unto the Lord? Can you lift up your hands and begin to glorify Him? He that never change, the Holy God that lives and never dies.
I don't have strength to talk. Ikindi kuchawo kwadro. First of all, Nambune Kele, all the people that sent money to me. I'm saying thank you very much. God bless you all. From my heart, I say thank you. Then I have some few things to say. I don't have strength to talk. I don't have much strength to talk, but with the little strength I have, I say, let me use this little strength I have to say out my mind. I've been seeing a lot of posts on the internet, reading people's comments. I see where, let me say, in every post I see, let me say, in every post I see, if there is 100 comments there, almost 70 or 50 people, let me say half have out from the sorry let me say have 50 50 out from them 100 comment. I see where people saying na nakpari mmadụ that nakpari onye ọbụla m from me akpari ya. I'm not a bad person. If you have not seen me before, you have not been close to me before, things you see on social media might make you see me as someone that doesn't have respect or someone that insults too much. No. For example, maybe I did video about somebody. Okay, let me start from Prince Chooks. There is this guy, this #1 celebrity that stays in India. There is a video he did about me. It was like I scammed him 5 million naira. That was fake. It was fake. We planned it all, but I don't know why is it that sometimes if I do something, people will change it. They will not change it. They will not see it that I'm a scammer and that I'm a scammer, that I don't have respect. I insult people. I don't insult people. Some of things you see on social media is not insult. Some we planned it. Some we used to plan it. We used to plan it, and why some are real, some are real. Why some are not real? I'm not a fake human being. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. God is my witness. I'm not a bad person. I've never gone to a native doctor before to kill my fellow human being or to wicked my fellow human being or to do anything bad to my fellow human being. I don't know why people are now seeing me as someone that insults somebody. I try to keep quiet, but the thing somehow now is hurting me. I don't like it the way people now see me as someone that insults somebody. I read some comment, people telling me to apologize to all the people I offended. Why people now accusing innocent ones that they are the reason why I'm sick. I'll be sick not today. I'll be sick even before I started comedy. Not be today. I'm just managing myself. The comedy I'm doing is to make myself happy. To be honest and frank with you, is to make myself happy. I don't find it as in being happy. Not like it happy. Not like email something. Not draw. I'm happy. I don't know why now people now everything I do on internet, people now see it as an insult. People now see that I insult people. No, I don't insult. I don't marry mad. You have not been close to me before. Maybe you have not seen me before. If you've been face to face before, you have concluded that not marry mad. You have concluded that I'm evil. You have concluded that I'm a scammer. You have concluded that I did this, I did that. Just imagine how I'm sick. I'm reading some people's comments on some posts I'm seeing. That's why I just switched off my phone since 2 days. I just came back 2 days from hospital. I just switched off my phone. I just said, let me just on my phone. The thing, please. And I'm also seeing some comment people telling me to ask for forgiveness to people I have offended. Okay, fine and good. From my heart. If any of my video, if any video I do, you're not happy with it, or if I say anything on the internet, you're not happy with it, I'm sorry. From my heart, I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm very, very sorry. I'm apologizing publicly, and I want you to please help me share this video. If I've offended you with my video, with my words in any way, I'm sorry. So I'm begging you in the name of God, if I I have offended you in any way, you're not happy with me in any way, I'm sorry. If my video bona internet no more my comedy no more, you don't like me, you don't want to be seeing me on internet again, you don't just wish to be seeing me on internet again, I'm sorry. But I will be glad to read some comments here. If you people don't want me to do comedy again, I would like to read the comments here. I would like to quit and stop, so that you stop seeing me on internet. I don't like the way people are now seeing me as a bad person. You have not seen me before, you haven't seen me face to face before, and you just concluded overnight that I'm a bad person. I need some comments. Some comments really hurt me. So, and secondly, I want to say this publicly. You people should stop accusing people that have nothing in my sickness. I'll be sick, not today. It's not today. I'll be sick a long time. Not today. Nobody did this to me. It came on its own. So I don't know why people are now accusing everybody that this person did this to me, this person. Nobody did anything to me. It's not today that I'll be sick. This sickness will be eating millions from me, not today. Just that the thing I've now is not disturbing me so bad that I cannot concentrate anymore. So please, I'm begging in the name of God. Asị na enwe onye mmere ihe ọjọọ, asị na mmere video na-enweghị iwe, maọbụ ekwuru m okwu na-enweghị iwe on social media, more like onye na-eme on social media, I'm begging in the name of God to please forgive me. Forgive me. Anybody that I called his or her name on internet, you are not happy with it, Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Prince, though we are not enemy, we are not fighting, but I'm just calling the names that you people think that I insulted them. Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Prince, Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Rite Doshie, Udumeje, Prince, She Marie Temple, everybody, in fact, everybody, anybody that I've called, what's her name again? Mechire moves down. What's her name again? I think. Anybody that have called your name on internet, you can't tell somebody shut up and you expect the person not to say anything. You can't spit on somebody and you expect the person not to say anything. So if you are misunderstanding my videos and you don't like my comedy and you really want me to stop, you can drop your comments. Later, when I get strength, I will read it. I only have strength to talk now because I took some drugs. Then I have some strength to talk now. So I want to thank you all. I want to thank you all that sending money to me, contributing for me. I say God bless you all. I love you from the bottom of my heart. I'm now very tired. I can't talk anymore. I want to rest. Please, once again, I'm sorry if my videos or if I have offended you in any way. If I have offended you in any way, forgive me. I'm sorry. Udumeje, Rite Doshie, Lion, Chimarin, Wanyimo, and others. Anybody that called your name on social media. But I want you people to know that anything I saw on social media is not from my heart. It's not from my heart. I'm not bad as you think. It's not from my heart. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. I'm not a bad person. So thank you all. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye bye. Keep on praying for me. Keep on praying for me because I'm not getting myself. I can't even stand up. I'm sitting down. Yeah, I'm sitting down. I can't stand up. I can't stand up. If I stand up, I feel weak. I take almost 3 pints of blood every week. Tomorrow I'm going to take another blood again. So thank you all. I love you all. God bless you. Bye bye.